Hi everyone. So, Katwa, we learned about these three trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent of an angle in our last video. And today we will see how I can use these three ratios to find the missing sides of the right angle triangle. So, stick to the end because then you will be able to solve any missing side problem in just a few seconds. Okay, before I move to the actual questions, I want to review a little bit of trigonometric ratios. This is my right angle triangle PQR with angle Q as 90 degree. Angle R is theta. And with respect to this angle theta, this PQ, the side across to angle theta is called the opposite side. And the side that touches the angle theta is called the adjacent side. And of course, the side opposite to 90-degree angle is called the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of any right angle triangle. All right. Now, with respect to angle theta, my trigonometric ratios will be first will be sine of theta, which is written as like this sine theta, and this is the ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. Okay, my next ratio was cosine of theta, and I can write it as cos theta, which is the ratio of adjacent side to the hypotenuse. And my third ratio is tangent of theta, which is also written as tan theta, is the ratio of opposite side to the adjacent side. And that's why we name it as sine opposite hypotenuse, sine opposite hypotenuse, cosine, and then CAH, and then TOA, TOA. So it's so ka tua, a little phrase to remember these three ratios. My other three ratios were cosec theta, which was, I will change this color over here, cosec theta, which was the reciprocal of sine theta. And then we have sec theta or the secant theta, which is the reciprocal of cos theta. And my sixth ratio is cotangent of theta or cot theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, sine, cos, tan are the six primary main trigonometric ratios. We need to learn these. The rest three will automatically follow. Now, let's look at few of the examples. This is my right angle triangle ABC, and if you notice carefully, the orientation of this right triangle is little different. I need to find the side AB. So this is unknown. Okay. Now, with respect to angle 28 degree, which is the opposite side and which is the adjacent side? So with respect to 28, this AC is the opposite side, and this AB touches this angle theta or 28 degrees. So this is the adjacent side. And what is this 6 centimeter? This BC side 6 centimeter is directly opposite to 90 degree. So this is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Now, which ratio connects? I want to find adjacent side when this opposite side is unknown, but hypotenuse is given as 6. So I will identify the given side and the side which needs to find out. So I need to find AB, and what is given to me? Given to me is the 6 centimeter means hypotenuse. Now, which ratio connects this adjacent side to the hypotenuse? So always write so ka twa on the top so as not to forget the ratio. I want adjacent side and hypotenuse is given. So my ratio which connects adjacent side to hypotenuse is cos. So I am going to use the cos ratio. Okay. So with respect to angle 28 degree, I will write cos 28 degree is the ratio of adjacent side to the hypotenuse, and cos 28 degree will be equal to what is adjacent side? I need to find it out, AB, and what is hypotenuse given to you? 6. Now, if you use a scientific calculator, of course, I do not know the value of cos 28 degree. It's not that common angle. So this AB would come out to be 6 will go on that side. So it will become 6 times cos 28. So AB will come out to be 6 times cos 28 on scientific calculator will come out to be approximately 0.88. And if you multiply 0.88 with AB, that will give you the value of AB. Okay, so this is the way to find the missing side. So what is the key? The key is to identify that which side is given to you and which side you need to find out, and then which trigonometric ratios connects those two sides. Okay, so in this question, oh, I'm sorry, I did not write what is AB. So AB is equal to 6 times 0.88, and that comes out to be 5.28 centimeter approximately. Let's take one more. In this right angle triangle PQR, angle Q is 90, angle R is 50. I need to find this X, and this 5.5 is given. Now this side X, the missing value X, is just across this 50 degree. So this is our opposite side. And what else is given to us? PR. What is PR? This is opposite to 90 degrees. So this is hypotenuse. Now let me write SOHCAHTOA. And now, which ratio connects opposite side to hypotenuse? Let's check here. Opposite side to hypotenuse, sine. So I am going to use sine of 50-degree angle. So sine of 50 degree is equal to the ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. Okay, now sine of 50 degree will be equal to, what is the opposite side? That's X, which value I need to find out. And what is hypotenuse? It's 5.5. So my missing side X will be 5.5 times sine 50 degree. And if you put it in your scientific calculator, it will come out to be 5.5 times sine of 50 is equal to 4.21 centimeter approximately. So just see what is given, what needs to find, and which trigonometric ratio connects these two. And that's it. My next example is the right angle triangle DEF, where DE is 8, M needs to find out my angle theta is 70 degree, the acute angle. Okay, so with respect to this acute angle 70 degree, this is the opposite side, and this is the side which touches this 70 degree is the adjacent side. Now, if I write the acronym SOHCAHTOA, so which trigonometric ratio connects opposite with adjacent side? Of course, tan. So that means we are going to use tan in this question. So tan of, what is the acute angle? 70 degree. So tan of 70 degree is equal to opposite side to adjacent side. So tan 70 is equal to, opposite side is 8 and adjacent side is m, which is missing. So from here you will get your m as tan 70, sorry, not tan 70, 8 divided by 8 divided by tan 70. And if you put it in the scientific calculator, m will come out to be 2.91 centimeter approximately. So what are the quick tips to solve these questions? You label the triangle first. Okay, so if this is a this is a right angle triangle, this is 90. You label that which is hypotenuse given to you with respect to this theta, is adjacent side given to you, or is opposite side given to you, and then identify which side you need to find out and which is given to you. Pick the correct ratio using this SOHCAHTOA. Just write it everywhere on every page and you will never go wrong. Substitute the values and solve for the missing side. And of course, don't forget to use the scientific calculator. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see more of my math lessons, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next one.